Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Verse 27. The yogi whose mind is fixed on me verily attains the highest happiness. By virtue of his identity with Brahman, he is liberated. His mind is peaceful, his passions are quieted, and he is freed from sin. 28. Steady in the self, being freed from all material contamination, the yogi achieves the highest perfectional stage of happiness, in touch with the Supreme.
So here is the perfection, the yogi whose mind is fixed on me. Me means Krishna. Krishna is speaking. If I am speaking, give me a glass of water. It does not mean that the water should be supplied to somebody else. Similarly, the Bhagavad Gita is being spoken by Lord Krishna. And he says, me. Me means Krishna. This is clear understanding. But there are many commentators, they deviate from Krishna. I do not know why. That is their nefarious motive. No. Me means Krishna. So, Krishna conscious person is always in yoga trance. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.